Okay, so for today's deep dive, we're going to be like really unpacking this whole like minimalist travel thing. You know what I mean? Like ditching the monster suitcase, embracing the freedom of traveling light. It's something I think we all kind of fantasize about.
Absolutely. And it's actually becoming a big trend in the travel world. People are realizing that experiences matter more than the stuff they bring.
Right, like who needs the stress of lugging around a ton of luggage, especially when airlines are getting so strict with baggage fees. Oof.
Tell me about it. And that's actually what's so fascinating about all these sources we got on Unbound Merino.
Oh yeah, Unbound Merino. They're like the minimalist traveler's dream come true, right?
Pretty much. See, they make clothes specifically designed for people who want to pack light.
Yeah.
And their whole philosophy is about helping you experience more by carrying less.
Okay, I'm intrigued. So what makes their clothes so special?
Well, it all comes down to the material merino wool.
Merino wool, isn't that like kind of itchy?
That's a common misconception. Merino wool is completely different from the scratchy wool sweaters your grandma used to make you wear.
Okay, good to know, because I was about to say, so merino wool, what's the big deal? Why is it so good for travel?
Think of it this way. Imagine wearing a single shirt that can take you from a hike in the Himalayas to a five-star restaurant in Paris. Merino wool is it's incredibly versatile.
Wait, seriously, one shirt for all that? I'd need like an entire suitcase to pull that off.
I know, it sounds crazy, but that's the beauty of merino wool. It can be dressed up or down, and it always looks good. Plus, it's super comfortable and breathable, so you can wear it in a variety of climates.
Okay, I'm starting to get it. But what about the whole packing light thing? I mean, I'm used to packing like a different outfit for every possible occasion.
I hear you. But that's the thing about merino wool. It's naturally odor resistant. So you can wear the same shirt multiple times without it getting stinky.
No way! How is that even possible?
It's just science. Merino wool fibers are naturally antimicrobial, so they resist the growth of odor-causing bacteria. There are even stories of people wearing the same merino wool shirt for weeks without washing it.
Weeks. Okay, now you're just messing with me.
I'm serious. It sounds crazy, but it's true. And think about it. Less laundry on the road means more time for exploring.
Okay, you've definitely sold me on the whole odor thing. But what about when it gets cold? Does merino wool actually keep you warm?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a natural temperature regulator. The fibers trap tiny air pockets that insulate you from the cold. And when it's hot, those same fibers help wick away moisture, keeping you cool and dry.
Wow, it's like a magic fabric or something. So you're telling me I can ditch all my bulky sweaters and jackets?
Pretty much. With merino wool, you can layer up or down depending on the weather. You get all the warmth without all the bulk. It's a win-win.
This is blowing my mind. So if I wanted to like build a whole minimalist travel wardrobe around Unbound Merino, where would I even start?
Well, they have a few essential pieces that are great for building a capsule wardrobe. A couple of their merino wool t-shirts, long-sleeved options for layering, maybe a pair of their travel pants. These are all super versatile pieces.
Okay, so we're talking mix and match heaven here. Like I can actually create different looks without packing my entire closet.
Exactly. And don't underestimate the power of accessories. A lightweight scarf, a nice hat, those can completely change up your look without taking up much space in your bag.
Right. Because, I mean, who wants to look like a total slob in all their vacation photos?
Exactly. You can still be stylish while embracing minimalism.
And speaking of embracing things, I think it's so cool how packing light also means we're lightening our impact on the planet, you know?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And choosing merino wool is already a more sustainable choice. It's a natural, renewable resource, unlike synthetic fabrics. Plus, when you're carrying less, you're using less fuel to get around. Every little bit helps.
So true. Okay, so let's say I'm totally on board with this whole minimalist travel thing. Where do I begin? Like, what's a good first step for someone who's used to packing everything but the kitchen sink?
Start small. Maybe try a weekend getaway and challenge yourself to pack only what you absolutely need. Once you see how freeing it is to travel light, you'll never want to go back to your old ways.
I love that. So it's like less baggage, more adventure, and maybe a few more souvenirs since we'll have extra room in our bags, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And when you really think about it, minimalist travel is about so much more than just packing light. It's about simplifying your life, focusing on experiences, and being present in the moment. Who knows, maybe it could even inspire you to embrace minimalism in other areas of your life as well. Something to think about.
It really is. It's like, what if by streamlining our suitcases, we actually end up streamlining our lives in the process?
Right? It's a fascinating idea.
Mm-hmm.
And, that's the beauty of travel in general. It has a way of shifting your perspective and helping you see the world and yourself in a whole new light.
Couldn't have said it better myself. All right, everyone, that's a wrap on another deep dive. Until next time, happy travels, and remember, pack light, explore more.